doubt. Mga classmates, even if I have totally surrendered to the Lord, I still find myself doubting if He really gave me that miracle or if I'm just grasping at straws so that I can logically satisfy the lingering remnants of my secular mindset that what happened is not an answered prayer from Him, not a miracle, but just a coincidence or something I can explain with logical and scientific reasoning. Or again, by honoring myself and crediting myself for doing something, that's why it happened. Number two is pride. The reason why we don't recognize miracles anymore, mga classmates, just like the Pharisees, and why God had to sigh and feel deep sadness for us, or even say no and walk away when asked God for signs and proofs, or question Him for allowing evil things to happen in this world, is because of the sin of pride, and from this comes entitlement. Mga classmates, if there's one non-negotiable thing you need to have to fully have faith and surrender to the Lord so you can see His miracles in your life, it's humility. If you don't have it, then you will continue to refuse, reject, deny, and take God for granted.